Are you looking for top-notch gutter installation services in Kent, Washington? Want the perfect balance of affordability and quality? Well, you do not need to keep searching. You have found Seamless Gutters for less. We have been serving Pierce County for almost 3 decades. Plus, our customers love us. We have over 260 5-star reviews. Our Seamless Gutters in Kent, Washington deliver top-notch quality and exceptional customer satisfaction at an affordable price. Discover why we're the top choice in Pierce County. Made from premium materials, they blend beautifully with your home's exterior. Our Seamless Gutters are crafted to eliminate leaks and minimize maintenance. Choose Seamless Gutters for less for unmatched durability, efficiency, and style. Join the hundreds of satisfied customers in Pierce County who've trusted us to protect their homes. Ready to upgrade? Contact Seamless Gutters for less today and enjoy the best possible price with outstanding service in Pierce County. Call now and protect your home with the best.